Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest tech gadgets to help you decide if they're worth your hard-earned money. Today, we're taking a close look at the Beats Solo Buds, the newest addition to the Beats lineup. These are aimed at budget-conscious consumers looking for reliable earbuds without breaking the bank. Let's start with the design. The Beats Solo Buds come in a compact, ergonomic design that's both stylish and practical. They're small, lightweight, and come in a range of attractive colors including matte black, storm gray, arctic purple, and transparent red. The fit is comfortable and stable, making them suitable for extended use. Despite their budget-friendly price tag, these buds don't compromise on build quality. They feature custom-built acoustic architecture with a 2-layer dynamic diaphragm transducer and micro-venting holes for enhanced bass and passive noise isolation. This setup delivers a surprisingly punchy sound, especially for their size. In terms of performance, the Beats Solo Buds impress with their 18 hours of playback time on a single charge. They support Bluetooth 5.3 for a stable wireless connection, ensuring reliable connectivity whether you're using them with an iPhone or an Android device. Plus, they come with spatial audio support, enhancing your listening experience with immersive sound. Using the Beats Solo Buds is straightforward. They offer one-touch setup with iPhones and support features like audio sharing and Find My. Android users get Google Fast Pair and Find My device integration, although configuration happens through the Beats app rather than system settings. Battery life is rated at 18 hours per charge, which is decent for such compact earbuds. However, it's important to note that unlike many competitors, the Beats Solo Buds do not come with a charging case. This means when they run low on power, you'll need to plug them into a USB-C source directly. So, should you consider the Beats Solo Buds? If you're a fan of the Beats brand and looking for affordable, everyday earbuds for casual use, whether it's commuting, work, or just enjoying music on the go, these could be a great fit. They offer good sound quality, a comfortable design, and wide compatibility with smartphones. Just keep in mind their limitations with regard to waterproofing and the absence of a charging case. That wraps up our review of the Beats Solo Buds. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more tech reviews and comparisons. Let me know in the comments what you think of these earbuds and if you'll be picking up a pair. Until next time, thanks for watching.